Hey guys, I just wanted to show you that this is my brother's channel, the Derpy Railroad. Yeah, he makes little train videos. He has some of them here. O-scale Lionel chain. He has a couple of them. They're really cool. So just check them out. I'm sorry I didn't get to post a Roblox video today. I'm not able to because we're very, very busy today. So, I will do tomorrow. So yeah. And just wanted you to check out my brother's channel because, it's awesome. So yeah. This is it. Derpy Railroad with an exclamation point on it. Check it out, okay?